Hey guys, it's Iver.vlogs here with Midnight Morning. We're going to be doing a try not to laugh challenge, the ultimate dank memes compilation of 2019. The challenge will be we will have us go, and every time you laugh you get a point. The person with the most point loses, and the loser has to take their knuckles and put it down on the table, and a penny gets shot at your knuckles 3 times. So, and it doesn't sound like it's whatever. We'll probably won't use a penny. We'll use like a nickel. Because it has a serrated edge. One time this kid shot one at me, and I cut my knuckle open, started bleeding. So basically, don't try this at home. There most likely will be blood in the video at the end. So if you don't want to see that, just click away. Yeah. But if you're interested, keep watching. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, my bad. My bad. There you go. Not laughing. Let us know in the comment section below if you laughed at all in this video. I saw a video of this with a baby on a dog.
That was a no-scope with a triple take, bitch.
I don't get how that was a try not to laugh. That was awesome. Look at the guy's barely back. That's one. Oh, and he's doing it again. Yeah, it's not very funny. No, it's just kind of cool how they cut it right.
My life be like. My life be like.
Think we should talk more? Will you be my friend? That weird kid. How many posts do I have? You have one right now. Oh, he got killed, hey? That scared me. I think I've seen that video too. Like, well, that's 2 on you now.
And then by that time, like, I'm cut off, everything else has been dying.
Bro, Ninja, rest in peace,
Hello,
man.
Ninja.
You used to be good.
Confirming your order for 12-inch thick black dildo for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Should I reschedule the order delivery for another time?
That's 1 in 3. That's embarrassing. Watch. Oh, wow. That's... Oh, he's doing some hack stuff, you know what I'm saying? Watch. He's gonna get mad. This is not very funny so far. No, it's been crap. You laughed. That was a smirk. Fine. Bro, cause that boy's chin looked like a bicycle seat. That was confusing, yeah. I don't even know where the Quiznos is. I don't even know where it is. I don't see that. Not a meme, but this is cute. AF. I had something. Tell me how it feels sitting up there. This is not funny. It's just cute. So high, but you're far away to hold me. Look, hey, finally he's dead now. These are so bad. Yeah, this isn't very funny. Nope. Yeah, you still have a lot more than me. So yeah, I have 4, I think. Wanna hear my longest? It's gonna be fart. Yeah, boy. Oh. Here he goes. He's gonna go. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. I don't get it. That's 6.
911, what's your emergency? I did something bad. Is anyone hurt? I kissed somebody else. I kissed somebody else. I don't even know him. Is this an emergency?
Jessica, are you on the ground?
Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am. Kiss somebody.
Why did you do that, Jessica?
Because I'm afraid I was caught up in it.
Why did you do that, Jasmine?
Ma'am.
God, first I forgive you. I love you.
Oh my God, I love you.
That's 7, man.
Oh wow. Yes, I love you.
This is funny. Oh, what is wrong with his vocal? You're at 7.
Congratulations. Goodbye. Pizza.
Yeah, drunk. Stop.
I get the 7 digits from your mother for $1 tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
Put him in the dirt, put him in the surf, put him in the curb, cut his shirt off, motherfucker. Oh no, put him in the hole. Put him in the cold, put him in the cold, put the cold on, cold outside, put the cold.
Alright, guys. I think we're gonna have to end this video off here.
No, we gotta do the knuckle thing. You lost.
Oh yeah, I know. Trust me. Guys, we are here with the quarter right there. And I don't know if you guys can see, but you see that little serrated edge on it? So when you shoot it, it spins a bit when you shoot, and that edge will hit your knuckle when it's pressed down.
Can we just get this over with?
It'll go under whatever. Okay, yeah.
Okay, I need
So
to
I
choose a
need no.
knuckle.
You're gonna stand over there. Just
Oh, I
move the
know.
stool. Move this out of the way. Okay, and then I'm gonna move, and I'm gonna stand right here. You're gonna put your knuckles down. Is it right there? Can you see them?
Yeah, you
Good.
can see it.
Okay, ready? Yeah, show the camera. Anything?
No, not yet. You gotta push that shit hard.
Yeah, you gotta push really down. You need something for the video, man.
Get the right one.
This one? No, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, that one didn't feel good.
No, it went under here.
No, nothing yet, bro. You gotta go hard.
Okay, ready? Here you go.
Ooh, okay, that one didn't feel very good.
Nothing?
Alright, yeah, let's go back and forth, bro. Bro, we need to get some stuff.
No, it's gonna hurt.
No, you're good, you're good.
I'm gonna hate this. Ah!
Alright, get back.
I don't know, man. Oh, shot! I got a reshot. I missed. That was garbage.
Bro.
That was garbage. Did I even hit?
Of course.
Oh, I don't know if I
Get off
can.
the table.
I don't think I can do this. I'm gonna bleed. I have the weakest skin in the world.
Okay, go back down.
I'm so scared now.
Nah, I didn't even hit it, bro.
Yeah, I did. It got my index finger. Let's see. It hit right here, and then it hit right there as well.
Nah, bro, we gotta get a replay on that. Put your finger back down.
Put it right in that frame, right there.
This is for you guys. Bro, you gotta push that knuckle down. Okay, this is the last one. Big one.
Let me try again. Oh my god, okay.
Bro, you really like hitting my nuts.
They don't move. Okay, show the camera. You bleeding?
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Okay, show. My knuckle is fine, man.
Well, I don't know if you can see it.
No, you gotta go a
Let me
bit
get some
closer.
lighting on this, bro.
Yo, I'll hold the phone.
Yeah, hold that.
Yo, but look at that. I don't know. Oh no, the lighting's too much. Look at that.
Can I get the lighting on that?
Look at that. It's not bad, but still.
You're
You know-
really loud, bro.
Sorry, you know how painful that is?
Okay, give me one last time, bro. Just because I lost. Just because. Okay.
You didn't push down. It went under your hand.
it didn't.
No, it went straight under your hand. We're gonna watch this video back. I swear. You're just too scared. And I don't blame you. It hurts.
Okay, now it's you. Alright, guys. I think we're gonna have to end that one off here, bro.
Yo, well, I mean, we got some blood. It wasn't bad, though. I've had way worse from this kid. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Time now.
Okay, I just need you guys to just.
You leave, subscribe, just because you had to go through that.
Yeah, you all need to subscribe just because it's bruising. Okay, get that. If you can really get some good lighting. Yeah.
It just makes it too hard to see.
Please. Oh, yeah, whatever, guys.
Yeah, he get it.
Okay, well, like, comment, subscribe.
Yo, we gotta wait 2 more seconds, man.
Alright.
And we
Alright,
reached the
alright,
10-minute
well,
mark.
peace-
Let's go.
Peace out, guys.
Yes, yeah.